Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Keap to QuickBooks Online for Sales Accounting Sync, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Keap to QuickBooks Online for Sales Accounting Sync, start by logging into your Keap account. Once logged in, navigate to the top menu and select Integrations. In the Integrations section, click on QuickBooks Online. You will be prompted to authenticate your QuickBooks account. Click on the Connect button to initiate the authorization process. A new window will open, asking for your QuickBooks Online login credentials. Enter your QuickBooks email and password, then click Sign In. You may be asked to allow Keap access to your QuickBooks data. Review the permissions and click Authorize to proceed. After authorization, return to your Keap account. Now, you need to set up the sync preferences. In the QuickBooks Integration section, look for the sync options. Select the data types you wish to sync, such as invoices and customers. Customize the mapping settings for each data type if necessary. Save your sync preferences to apply the changes. Next, perform your first sync to verify the integration. Go back to the QuickBooks Integration section and click on Sync Now. Monitor the progress of the sync to ensure everything transfers smoothly. Once complete, review both Keap and QuickBooks to confirm the data sync was successful. Make adjustments to your sync settings if needed for future transactions. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Keap to QuickBooks Online for Sales Accounting Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.